Hello guys, welcome again sa ating unboxing vlog na bilhin natin sa online. Ito yung parcel natin guys. So mag-open na tayo guys ng ating binili na sariwang hininga, walang mintis, halik candy. 150 pieces siya guys. So i-start na natin siyang i-unbox guys at upitin natin to guys. Let's go guys. Ayan guys. Sariwang hininga, 150 pieces. Ilalagay na natin sila dito guys, yung candy. Ito guys, ilalagay natin yung candy dito guys. Nagupit na. Mag-start na tayo, mag-count na tayo guys kung 150 ba. So guys, mag-count tayo guys kung ilang pieces ba ang nasa loob ng ating sariwang hininga candies. So natin natin dito guys. Tapos mag-count tayo guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, guys, 150 lahat guys. Gana tayo guys, ibibenta na natin siya guys. Guys, see you sa next vlog, sa ating unboxing vlog. Guys, thanks for watching. Yan guys, na-unbox na natin siya guys. So check out na guys. Baka ma-sold out na guys. Limited lang siya guys. So check out na guys. Thanks for watching guys. Bye-bye.